Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SamCart affiliate integration guide, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the SamCart affiliate integration guide, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official SamCart website URL. Once the website loads, navigate to the resources section found in the main menu. Look for the affiliates or help subcategory within the resources section. Click on that subcategory to access various affiliate resources. Scroll through the page until you find the affiliate integration guide. Once you locate the guide, click on the link or button labeled Download or Get the Guide. A prompt may appear asking you to enter your email address. Fill in your email address and any other required information in the provided fields. Then, check for a confirmation box, agreeing to the terms and conditions if necessary. After completing that, click the Submit or Download button. Once submitted, check your inbox for an email from SamCart. Open the email and search for the download link for the affiliate integration guide. Click on the link provided in the email. The guide should now begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to access the SamCart affiliate integration guide. Follow the instructions within the guide to set up your affiliate integration successfully. You are now ready to start using the integration features for SamCart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.